specifically, but it's a form of artificial intelligence. And really what it is, it's chat gtp 4 version 4 currently that they're using, and it's going to enhance real-time productivity, and it's also going to generate content. And it is so good at the LLM, or the what they call the large language model. It's very effective at writing and thinking, and it can be used in so many ways, and we're going to go over it. And I'm not going to kill you by PowerPoint. I'm going to do what you're not supposed to do. Is I'm going to jump out and I'm going to do some basic demos, because I really think that getting somebody interested and curious is the way that they're going to want to get engaged. And then uh, going back to kind of what Copilot is, it's embedded in the Microsoft technology. And I'm going to show you where the little icon shows up, and I'm even going to show you how to use it. And it seamlessly works throughout the Microsoft workflow. And it's really designed for a lot of things. Summarizing things, it's really good at writing things, brainstorming, and now it is getting more and more sophisticated in the means by which you can handle tasks. And I think that's where it's not like they don't have a solution for every piece of software that somebody uses, but they are definitely making strides in helping it do more than just answer questions or write books or sentences or create things. And I'm going to show you a little bit of that today.